Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. In the serene landscapes of Dornach, Switzerland, the first Goetheanum emerges as a beacon of architectural and spiritual convergence. Rudolf Steiner's vision from the early 20th century stands not just as an edifice but as an unparalleled manifestation of the intricate dance between art, architecture, anthroposophy, and engineering. Diving into its origins, Steiner's Anthroposophy sought to unify the spiritual essence within humanity with the vast spiritual cosmos. The Goetheanum was conceived not just as a venue, but as a sanctified space for profound spiritual communion. It aimed to represent the tangibility of a discipline that endeavored to merge the ethereal with the physical. Here, architecture was destined to transcend mere bricks and mortar. Instead, it was intended to be a conduit for spiritual exploration, allowing individuals to transcend the confines of the mundane and reach into the realm of the metaphysical. This philosophy is evident in the Goetheanum's choice of material, seasoned larchwood. Beyond its inherent durability and tensile strength, the wood resonates with profound authenticity, echoing the rhythms of time and nature. Melding aesthetics with structural integrity, the method of blind pegging further showcases this marriage. This ancient technique, employing wooden dowels to secure timber joints, is a testament to the building's connection with time-honored traditions. The Goetheanum's design also sets it apart. Eschewing conventional architectural norms, it embraces sinuous forms and organic contours, enticing occupants to experience space in an unprecedented fluid form. The layout choreographs a journey for its visitors, alternating between introspection and movement. This intentional design ensures optimal spatial circulation, offering a tangible rhythm to the occupant's journey within its walls. Prominently, the twin domes, crafted with impeccable engineering prowess using shipbuilding techniques, redefine the building's spatial and auditory essence. While providing structural stability, they also shape the building's acoustic profile. Their curvature, combined with the timber's inherent sound properties, creates an auditory environment that's both immersive and pristine. Steiner's meticulous attention to detail is further reflected in the Goetheanum's color palette. Beneath its vast domes, hues of deep blues, reds, and purples converge, crafting a visual and symbolic narrative. Architecturally, these colors amplify the spatial volume, providing a depth that extends beyond the physical confines of the walls. From an engineering perspective, the consistent application of these pigments across vast surfaces underlines the structure's meticulous craftsmanship. Central to the Goetheanum's interior stands the representative of humanity. A collaborative masterpiece by Steiner and Edith Marion, this intricate sculpture serves as a spatial and spiritual anchor. Depicting a central Christ figure in equilibrium with the contrasting forces of Lucifer and Ahriman, it's more than decorative art. Its strategic positioning ensures that it harmonizes with the architectural dynamics, enhancing the building's aura of balance and serenity. Complementing the Goetheanum's architectural majesty are its stained glass windows. Beyond mere aesthetic elements, these fenestrations transform the very luminosity of the interior. With their varied opacities and hues, they craft dynamic luminous patterns that ebb and flow with the day's progression, enhancing the building's ambience and the user's experience. Concluding, the first Goetheanum stands as a testament to humanity's perennial quest to connect the tangible with the ethereal. Each component, from its timber to its form, resonates with Steiner's aspiration of bridging worlds. Those privileged to traverse its spaces are offered more than architectural marvels. They embark on a journey of sensory and spiritual exploration, a voyage that enlightens and transforms. In its essence, the Goetheanum remains an enduring invitation to soulful introspection and architectural admiration.